to my YouTube video. And today we are making not Nickelodeon slime, but Nickelodeon made up the Zing slime. So today we are going to be making some slime. Yeah! Let's get right into the video and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Alright, so this video, you need a aka borax with water mixed together, chapstick, bubblegum, something to mix with, a little spoon, and that's all. So first thing you want to do is get your chapstick, put it in your container, and mush it down. This first one is all about chapstick. Alright guys? So I didn't really test these out. I'm just trying them. My next one, then you need some aka borax with water. It's still chunky, guys. So I might have to put this in the microwave. Next, chapstick wax. Once the chapstick wax. Okay. I just figured out chapstick is wax. So we're not going to put this in the microwave. And guys, if you don't have an 8K borax, you can use laundry detergent. I just like using borax. And then after this, you want to put this into the freezer. Okay guys, put that in the freezer. Guys, I'm actually using a phone for my YouTube videos. You can do that. So I'm gonna open up my freezer. It's right there, freezer. Oh my gosh. I have to put some more aka borax in there. Put some more aka borax since it all dropped. It's really slippery. Slippery. Excuse me. Please me. Okay. Please me. So laundry detergent, aka borax, can work. Just regular water. Can work. Excuse me. Slippery. Excuse me. So guys, I have some lemon base. So I'm gonna put it down right there. Some lemon base down there. Now let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, let's go into the next slime. Why that other slime in the freezer? Alright guys, let's make the other slime while that other one's in the freezer. Alright, let's go. So for this video, you need a microwave. Alright? It's got a microwave. Yeah, it's got a microwave. Some stretchy bubble gum that's chewed up, that stretches long, like slime. Alright, so you want to take your bubble gum, put it in a bowl, mix it around. Then we'll pour some aka laundry detergent, borax, whatever we'll call it, in there. This one smells so good. Maybe like some tablespoon.
Jalen.
Yeah.
I need my phone charged.
Okay, hold on. My last video. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna pour a lot in there. poured all of it. And now I'm gonna put this in the microwave.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, hold on, my last video. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and a like. Make sure you subscribe to my sister's channel. Make sure you make some musically for me so I can go check them out. Yeah. Bye, guys.